Hi guys, welcome to my channel RAIHAN'S Studio. It's my new video about how to improve landscape photos in Photoshop. Okay, first I'll open a photo. Okay, at first I will select the brightness and contrast tool. First I'll adjust the contrast, then I'll go to the brightness. Then I'll adjust the brightness too. Okay, then I'll go to the levels. Levels is about the shadows, the darkness and the brightness. Mainly it's about shadows. Okay, I will adjust it a little bit. Okay, then I'll hit cross. Now I'll go to curves. Curves is about mainly the brightness and the darkness. Then I'll adjust the curves. Okay, it's okay. Then I'll hit cross. Then I'll go to the hue and saturation panel. Hue is about to the mode of color, and the saturation is the amount of color. You can see in the photo. I'll adjust the hue and I'll adjust the saturation. Then I'll hit cross. Then I'll go to the selective color, and in the can I will adjust the can. Then I'll adjust the magenta. Then I'll adjust yellow, and I'll go to the magenta again. You have to see the photo how it's changing, and you have to adjust the selective colors. Then I'll go to the blue. Then again I will adjust the can, adjust the magenta, then the yellow, and in the last the black. Okay, now I'll go to the reds. Then I'll do the same thing. I will mainly adjust the picture's color. See, the colors in the pictures are changing. Okay, I think it's okay. Then I'll hit cross. Now we will go and see the change. See how the picture was before and now how it is after the editing. Okay, now we'll go to the go to a new picture. I'll click open, and then I'll click the photo. Okay, then I'll first adjust the contrast, then I'll adjust the brightness. Okay, then I'll hit cross, then I'll go to the levels. I will adjust it. The photo needs to be darker, so I will adjust it and make it dark. Then I'll go to the curves, then I'll adjust the curves, the darkness and the brightness. Then I'll hit cross. I'll go to the hue and saturation. As I before said, hue is about to the mode of color, and saturation is the amount of color. And then I'll hit cross. I'll go to the selective color. Then in the can, I will adjust the can. Then the magenta. Then the yellow. And finally the black. Okay, now I'll go to the blues. I will adjust the can, magenta, yellow and black again. This time the blue area of the picture will be edited, and now I'll go to the yellow. See, the yellow areas are adjusting and being edited. Okay, it's very easy but very necessary. See how selective color can fully change a photo. Okay, now our photo is ready. We will see the change. See, it's looking very nice. Okay, now I'll go to a new photo. I'll select the photo, then I'll click open. First I'll go to the contrast, then I'll go to the brightness. This photo needs to be darker, so I will decrease the brightness. Then I'll go to the levels, then I'll increase the shadows, the darkness of the photo. Adjusting the levels is a must, it's very necessary. Okay, then I'll adjust the curves. Okay, now I'll hit cross, then I'll go to the hue and saturation, and I will increase the saturation a little bit. No, I will leave it to 0, and then I'll try to adjust the hue. Okay, I think it's good. Then I'll hit cross. Okay, then I'll go to the selective color, one of the most important part of photo editing. In the can, I will adjust the can because the photo has a lot of blue areas. Okay, I will adjust the can, the magenta, the yellow, and the black. Okay, then I'll go to blues. Then again the same thing. I will adjust the can, adjust the magenta, adjust the yellow, and adjust the black. Okay, now our photo is ready. We will see the changes. See, the photo is looking good. Okay, then we will go to a new picture. I will select it. The photo is already very nice. It don't needs a lot of change, but we will edit it a little bit, not so much. Okay, first I'll adjust the contrast. Then I'll adjust the brightness. Okay, then I'll go to the levels. I will make the photo darker. I will increase the shadows. Then I will hit cross and I'll go to the hue and saturation. Okay, now I will adjust the saturation. I will increase a little bit. I'll increase the hue and saturation, but a little. Okay, then I'll go to the selective color and I will adjust the red. In the red I will adjust the can, the magenta, the yellow, and the black. Okay, then I'll adjust the magenta. Then I'll go to the yellow. Then I'll do the black. I will go in the yellow, and in the yellow I will adjust the can, I will adjust the magenta, I will adjust the yellow, and I'll adjust the black. It's very simple. Just we need to adjust the can, magenta, yellow, and the black. But it can change a photo very deeply. Okay. Okay, now I'll go to the blues. Mainly, I am adjusting the blue areas of the photo. In selective color, we adjust the colors of the photo. Okay. Okay, now our photo is ready. We will see the change. It has changed not so much, but it looks better. Okay. Then we will go to a new photo. We will select the photo. Then first we will go to the brightness and contrast. Then I'll adjust the contrast. The photo needs the contrast to be decreased, so I will decrease the contrast and I'll adjust the brightness. Yeah, it's okay. Then I'll hit cross. I'll go to the levels. See, I'm adjusting the levels and the photo is being very good, very nice. It's getting sharper. Okay. Then I'll go to the UN saturation. Then in the saturation panel, I will increase the colors. Okay, I mean I increase the saturation and the amount of color will be increased. Okay, then I'll adjust the hue. Then I'll hit cross. Okay, then I'll go to the curves. Then I think we need to make the photo darker. Okay. Okay, it's good. Then I'll hit cross and I'll go to the selective color. Then in the blues, we need to adjust the blues. The reason is there are a lot of blue areas in the photo, right? That's why we'll adjust the blue. Then I will go to the cans. Okay, then I'll adjust it. While adjusting the photo, we have to see the photo, the changes happening on the photo. It's very necessary. Okay, it's enough. Our photo is ready and we will see the change. See, the photo is looking very good, right? Okay guys, the video ends here. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel and like and share the video.